Up until now, our industry has been deluged with only two types of escutcheon plates. The plastic snap-arounds that snap around the pipe, and the steel split rings. These have served their purpose for the past 20-30 years, but the discerning clients of today's designer radiator installs will not accept that. If your clients aren't happy with status quo, we bring to you our line of escutcheon plates in multiple finishes to match whatever valve or color your client has desired for the radiator. And they come in all sizes from 3/4 black up to 1.25 inches. And the beauty about these escutcheon plates is they split to go around the pipe. They're held in with magnets and are almost seamless once installed. The discerning client is much happier with the finish of that product over that or that every time. These are our own exclusive product available from Castrads only through Ironworks Radiators.